This is John with WTI. And right now, while I'm here on vacations, I wanted to have a really nice scent for me to have a special occasion like I have today. And this is the YSLY, the EDP version. And what I like the most from here is this is your typical fresh out of the shower, but at the same time, it gives you this sophistication that it's 4 by 4 that you can use it in the morning, in the afternoon, but specifically in the night is where you get all these different compliments. It's not overly sweet, but it's not too freshy. It makes like the perfect mix of fresh, clean, but at the same time, it's gonna give you a lot of compliments. It's a compliment magnet. A lot of people are gonna give you this, you smell so nice. And right here in my country, it's not that common to get this fragrance. So this is fresh, nice, a little bit of woody, a little bit of the sweetness. So overall, this is a great fragrance, specifically for special occasions like this time. So this was John with WTI. That was my point of view.